What would it mean to inhabit another planet? How would humans adapt biologically, physiologically, and socially? It's hard to imagine any endeavor that might demand this type of integrative thinking more than sending humans to another planet. Mars has long occupied a powerful place in human imagination, not only as myth, metaphor, or scientific frontier, but as a site of possible human presence.
Mars is very far away from home. I'm talking to you about 300 to 500 days. We need to look at the longitudinal impact. It has to be an integrated Martian environment for the crew. Again, the astronauts are there now for the first time ever, and they're going to be very science-driven. We're looking at physiology, we're looking at mental, we're looking at team and health. We have to keep our astronauts safe and well and alive. They're the actual scientists, but we have to also do the science on the humans.
So the art collection at the National Air and Space Museum includes approximately 7,000 artworks, and more than half of them address the subject of space. And these works explore both the history and the future of space exploration. They visualize what scientists hypothesize, what engineers design, and what artists dare to imagine. And artists like Finkelstein were imagined robotic emissaries, extending human reach. His work underscores how art often precedes technological realization.
The top scientific priority for humans on Mars will be the search for life. But really what we're trying to find is something that does not map onto the tree of life on Earth.
So it has volcanoes, it has crevices, it has caves, has all the things where we think that perhaps life could exist.
And then who knows, once you're in a cave, you see you're in a very different environment from what's at the surface. Radiation is now shielded, micrometeorite impacts, stark day-night temperature changes, very cozy environment. And in the context of a volcano, it might even be warm.
And so to me as an artist, I just am so inspired by that idea of we're returning to our origins, we're going back in the caves. So what are those cave paintings gonna look like? What are the cave paintings of the 21st century?
Artists always help us with different visions, and what if we could design something beautiful? We've been working on it for a while. It's a second skin suit. So this is our latest prototype. We're 3D knitting. You need your own laser scan, you get your own suit. The suit should just be part of you.
With the rapid progress that we're making with Android, robots, and AI, it's difficult to plan a human mission to Mars with humans being the centerpiece of the expedition. I mean, to what extent do you assist them? There are prospects that we will achieve essentially something that is as capable as a human being, except not requiring oxygen to breathe and food to feed.
I think there's a lot of reason why we need to send humans and not just robots to Mars and to other terrestrial places, because there's something that happens in that embodied experience that's so important and crucial and has the impact that could change the world, much like Earthrise. This photograph was actually almost not taken. Because of this single photograph, we have Earth Day.
What was once speculative is increasingly plausible. Based on history, we're going to Mars. And when we do, and when the other astronauts do, their expectations and what they see will have been shaped in part by artists. Art bridges the gap between what we know and what we hope. And Mars has long been a canvas for human curiosity.
Because we have the technology to do it, humanity will become interplanetary. We are going to Mars. So anyone who's 25 years and younger, you are the space generation. Space isn't out there. It's here. It's already here. It's us.